By the windy shores of Canada Bay, I broke my fast volucious day. A beguiling figure, she blew me away and rattled me roving heart. The snipers cracked the metronome, my pricey heels on polished stone, that I was soon to call me home by way of the ancient art. I were cozen by a whiff of the wind, the stirs the Costa harrying, the likes of men who've lost the land, the rudderless and bewildered. Sands below a little with bones of those who've taken the belly of stones and turned their backs on wives and homes to follow the Black Matilda. Roll me love, is cross your hearts and hope to die. If ever you're drawn beneath the murky fathom of a rye. Oh, roll me love, is cross your hearts upon goodbye. You'll never again be able to lift your head so bloody high. But even the boys are in that air, they know, from Tortuga to Jericho. She took 300 souls below off the deck of the Andalusia. Poets and the sages try to warn us down the ages. The blood drips from the pages where they tell of the Black Matilda. She pursed her lips and spun a tune as fine as any silk cocoon that's ever left McKetchen's loom and held me then at the top. But a bastard I were born, you ken, I lived as though it never end. I'll die a disenchanted man, they'll bury me as a pauper. I'll let him drowned and let him swung, a plague a tyrant called my hung. With your garland of the old, the young, all battered and unfamiliar. There's no poetry, there's no tune, no point in howling at the moon. A caution to you very soon, you won't see Black Matilda. Roll me love, please cross your hearts and hope to die. If ever you're drawn beneath the murky fathom of her eye. Oh, roll me love, please kiss your arse upon goodbye. You'll never again be able to lift your head so bloody high. But even the boys are in that air, they know, from Tortuga to Jericho. She took 300 souls below off the deck of the Andalusia. Poets and the sages try to warn us down the ages. The blood drips from the pages where they tell of the Black Matilda. Of Canada Bay, I blew my friggin' brains away. It's not as though I'm proud to say, it's not as though I could have killed her. I'm off to hell's begotten shores, where men like me have sailed before, and they shall sail forevermore in the name of the Black Matilda. Oh, roll me love, this cross your hearts enough to die. It's enough to make you cry, enough to make you cry. Oh, roll me love, this cross your hearts upon goodbye. It's enough to make you cry, enough to make you cry. Oh, roll me love, this cross your hearts enough to die. It's enough to make you cry, enough to make you cry. Oh, roll me love, this kiss your ass upon goodbye. It's enough to make you cry, 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 enough to make you die.